In an AVL tree, we need to know the balance factor of the node. An AVL tree is a binary tree in which the difference of the height of the left and right subtree of any node is less than or equal to 1. This tree is balanced because every node height is in between -1, 0, and 1. This tree is imbalanced because the difference of the left and right is not in the range of -1, 0, and 1. For a tree to be balanced, rotation is going to happen. Step 1. Insert the first element, which is 10. Step 2. Insert the second element, which is 20. Step 3. Insert the next element, which is 30. The rotation happened in this step. Balance factor of 20 is -1. Check the parent of 20. Balance factor of 10 is -2. Rotate 10 to the left balance of the tree. Relay out the tree and check the balance. Factor of 20 is 0. The tree is now balanced. Why do we only have 3 nodes in our example? Because rotations are done only on 3 nodes. Red-black trees. A special type of binary search tree that organizes pieces of comparable data, such as numbers. If a node is red, then its children are black. All paths from a node to its NIL descendants contain the same number of black nodes.